Hey guys, today I'll be making potato patties, also called Aloo Tikki. So let's get started. First you need to boil about 10 to 12 white potatoes. So here are the ingredients we are going to be using today. So first we need a bunch of chopped fresh coriander, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, some salt to taste, crushed chili peppers, about 1 tablespoon or less if you don't want it too spicy, and you'll also be needing 1 egg for frying. Finally, you'll need your boiled and peeled potatoes. So first what we're going to do is we are going to combine all our ingredients together with the potatoes except for the egg. And now we are going to mash everything together. Then we are going to form our patties. You can make them any size you like. Then you're going to heat a pan with a little bit of oil. Then you will coat your patties gently into the egg and place it on the pan for shallow frying. Fry until both sides are light golden brown. You can serve these with your favorite sauces. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe and share my video.